We're about to get tacos. Workout of 2020. It is 7:21 in the morning and the workout starts at 7:30. I left Sage at home in the bed with Eddie. I think after I get back home and I eat breakfast, I'm going to go to the beach or something. Sage loves to play in dirt, and yesterday he was just like bathing in it. So I was like, you know what? We need to take Sage to the beach. Alright guys, come work out with me.
We're gonna go around the building one lap, okay? It's not a race. You go at your own pace.
We already did like a quick intro and warm up. She asked us what we wanted to work on for 2020. And I said, I want to focus, not worrying about what's happening in front of you, behind you. Just focus on the moment that you're in right now.
Hold your abdominals in, your shoulders should be back. Posture is straight. Up, up, down, down. Think of positive thoughts. 7. I love the quiet sometimes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now add your speed to it. Good. It's your own pace. Your own pace. Whatever that means to you. Catch your breath. We have 1 minute. 1 minute water break. And then we're going to go right into our exercise. Everybody should have a pair of dumbbells. When we get inside, we're going to go straight into our squats and then our lunges.
You hear that? She don't even give us a break. The break is just walking inside.
Let me say that. Come on. There you go. Yep. There you go. Squeeze your butt on the top. There you see how you pop that? That's what I'm talking about. Make sure you're holding that leg.
First workout is complete. So I am heading back home to my baby boy. It's almost 9 o'clock. I made sure I got a smoothie. I think it has orange, passion. I'm making this up. Don't even pay attention because I ordered something I don't even know what it is. So I'm heading home. Hopefully Sage is either just waking up and not giving Eddie too much trouble because I know Eddie has to work today. Them Mills, I need gas. That's what going on. 50 miles to E. 50 miles is a long way. I really have to fly. Excuse me. You know, I have to point out that I think is very creepy. So I uploaded a video on Our Set Life, and it was a video of me talking about tired of breastfeeding. I think it was one of the most recent videos that I uploaded. I think it's like the second most viewed video on our channel. So when I went to look at the analytics, I am a little grossed out, a little creeped out, a little just disgusted. And basically there's a certain part of the video that people keep watching over and over again, and it's the part where it's blurred out and I am getting ready to go in the shower with my son, and then it also tells me that the people that are looking at the video are 95% male, that are between 25 to 44 from India. I don't understand how they find this video or why they're watching this video, but it's fucking creepy as shit to know that people are probably getting off on just watching me eat up, breastfeed my son, obeying my son. And yeah, I just wanted to bring some light to that, just to let you know, like, I see y'all. I see how fucking creepy you guys are. And I actually gained almost like 600 subscribers on our family channel for that from that video in the month, just because they looking at me bathing. Enough about that. I'm home. About to go see my baby. Let's see if he's awake. Okay, so you don't see me. So you don't see me. Car.
Oh wow, that didn't go the way I wanted to. Look, it's your mom.
Sage, look, it's your mom. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi, baby.
I was working out.
It was awesome.
Yeah? Feel good?
Yeah. Sage, are you interested and excited to go to this beach?
And play in the dirt that you desperately love so much.
See, Sage, this is so much more fun than playing in the dirt. You can find all the seashells. Come on, bud. What? Look at Sage. Do y'all think Sage enjoyed the water? Hold on.
So much he ran to it without supervision.
Sage was trying to run into the water. Here he go. Tired. He's over us and all of our shenanigans. So after my workout today, I bought these protein chips. Disgusting. But Sage is eating one. I guess he likes it. I'm trying to run. We're about to get tacos.
She's going to get the car because we're going to take this parking spot.
And I have to get the car. And somebody is leaving the parking spot, so my sister is holding the parking spot for me.
You're not running. I'm recording you.
I'm fucking tired. I worked out this morning. Y'all don't understand. I already burnt out all the energy that I had today. Okay, let me see if I can try and get inside this parking spot. I'm so grateful that I can fit in between these small ass parking spots because some people can't drive. Seatbelt. Even though I'm going 273, anything can happen. Yo, I am hungry. So there was a 30 to 45 minute wait on the seats for the tacos. We've been sitting in the car for about 30 to 45 minutes.
Oh yeah. Yes. Yes, you see the cars.
I'm starving. I'm so hungry. Sage just woke up from a luxurious nap. So we're about to go take a shower really quickly because this boy head's still full of sun. And we gotta go pick up Daddy from work. Daniel Tiger is always a vibe. Just got Daddy from work.
Good, sir.
No?
Or he'd be like in his own world.
Good night, Sage. Good night.